Known around the world for excellence in science, the arts, and technology, RIT cultivates curious minds, encourages creativity, and aims for innovation in every discipline. What sets an RIT graduate apart? Extraordinary, real-world experience. RIT is a world leader in experiential learning exemplified by our unmatched co-op program. Built into most majors and encouraged in all, co-op is paid, full-time, real-world experience. With this remarkable experience, our graduates launch great careers, enroll in the best graduate programs, and benefit from one of the highest outcome rates. With 18,000 ambitious and imaginative students, we're a large university with a small school feel. Our learning is hands-on. Our students are actively engaged with undergraduate research and get to tinker with the latest equipment, labs, and studios. And thanks to an average class size of 23, our faculty's focus is on your learning. Diversity and inclusion are fundamental aspects of RIT's DNA, and we celebrate what makes everyone unique. With plenty of student clubs and tons of annual events, new friends, and awesome adventures await. We invite you to explore RIT and plan a visit. When you do, you'll find we're always on to something amazing.